Oh, wow. You're looking at the other, that's a C-17 over there.
Any airplane that is interesting with all the luggage and you put tanks in certain ones.
Actually, it's pretty dark.
Is this the fuel for refueling?
No. I see the other. I see the wings. Well, let's go back. I can't see.
Jax, come here.
I get to look inside of the airplane.
That's right. It's so cool, huh? Okay. Wait, hold mommy's hand going down the stair, okay? Go, go, go,
I don't
go.
want to go.
All right. Okay. Hey, we're stopping traffic over here. Sorry.
You guys don't have like something that holds liquid oxygen?
Look back there. It's the tanks. You see the tanks over there? Jax, right here. Back there.
And we got these green bags of other oxygen all throughout the jet.
I can see the tank.
Jax, let's go down.
No.
The babies are waiting. Go down. I'll help
I
you.
want to still.
I can help you.
I want to still go on this airplane. No, that's my seat.
That's not comforting, but thank you for your service.
Jax, we can look at another airplane. Come on. We can come back. Jax, come on. Mommy has to go. The babies are waiting.
It looks like a window.